get it? $1 million? Go get it.
I don't know.
I'm now the proud owner of $1 million case for the first time ever.
Speaking of $1 million cases.
Yes, speaking of $1 million cases. All right. We can't say enough great things about MWT, Mann Wyatt And Tanksley. Mason, Mike, Robin, and the whole team are very understanding, kind, compassionate, loyal, honest, and God-fearing people. We completely trust MWT, and they did an amazing job from start to finish. They are the real deal, and you will be in good hands with MWT. Through the last year of getting to know them, we would consider them true friends. Thank you so very much, MWT. You truly have been a blessing. This is a review from one of my biggest cases ever. It was two brothers in a really bad crash, just completely T-boned at highway speeds. And they both had really serious concussions and are still dealing with some effects today. Thankfully, there was really good insurance coverage, commercial policy, so we were able to get the best result I've ever got on a case, and they are deserving people that really got a good result, and really happy for them.
So I'm curious, the last review I read mentioned us being compassionate. That one did too. That kind of struck me as interesting. What do you think it means for us as attorneys to be compassionate towards our clients?
Well, just show them that you care. I mean, answer their phone calls, text whenever you get them, and don't ignore them, obviously. I've heard of other clients hire us because they just haven't heard from their previous lawyers. So just be there for them, walk them through the process, not just through the legal process, but just see how they're doing, financially, their mental well-being, and of course their treatment and those sorts of things. Just show them that you care. And we do care, but really show them, be there for them.
Yeah, I think that's a big difference from our firm to other firms. Mm-hmm. This one says, I cannot thank Sam Schulte at Mann Wyatt Tanksley and his team enough for their outstanding service and support during such a challenging time. From the very first consultation, they made me feel heard and reassured. Their professionalism, expertise, and genuine care for my case were evident every step of the way. They communicated clearly, kept me informed, and fought tirelessly to ensure I received the compensation I deserved. The entire process was seamless, and they went above and beyond to make it as stress-free as possible. If you're looking for a dedicated, knowledgeable, and compassionate attorney who truly has your best interests at heart, look no further than Mann Wyatt Tanksley, which is a very nice review. This was from a client who is in the Army, and was stationed in Kansas, Fort Riley, but accident happened sort of in the Johnson County area. Okay, and it really put her Army career on hold a little bit, which was frustrating for her. She had just bought a car too, so there was a diminished value claim, which we were able to get her a diminished value settlement before getting the personal injury settlement, which was great.
What's a diminished value claim?
So when your car, which is your property, right? It's a property damage claim. So when your car is damaged and then repaired, but it's not totaled, it's now been in an accident, and when you go to resell that car, it has a lesser or a diminished value. Okay, and so a lot of people don't know this, but you're actually entitled to compensation for that.
Yep.
So we got her a settlement for that, and it was only a few $1,000s, but to her it was all the difference, right? And then she wasn't able to get a lot of treatment because she moved from Fort Riley to another, I think, station in Missouri, and then picked treatment back up. The insurance company offered $14,420. After a lot of negotiation, that was their best offer. And it's one of those cases where that's nowhere near enough. We filed suit, we litigated, and I forget the exact amount, but it was over double what we ultimately settled for.
Nice.
Over the $14,000 offer.
Well done.
So good result.
It was really wonderful having Mason Lent, that's me, and Robin help me navigate insurance while I was injured. I was able to focus on healing and all the other concerns I had to work through at the time. They kept me informed through the entire process. Mason Lent also knew exactly what to expect when contacting my insurance company. He had knowledge I didn't know about. It was worth it to have someone care for me. I would recommend his services to my family and friends. He sorted out all the confusion my insurance providers had and made sure I was given the coverage their policies are supposed to provide. I'm so glad I didn't have to weed through it all on my own.
Did she say it was fun navigating insurance?
Oh, certainly not.
Oh, I thought it said that. If you can make navigating insurance fun, you've certainly done your job.
I don't see that in there anywhere. Where'd you get that?
I thought I heard you say it's fun. I could have sworn he said fun.
Okay,
Am
so
I crazy?
Tell him about the case.
Oh, she was a bicyclist in a bike lane going the way she was supposed to be going, and someone looked at their phone, went into the bike lane, and just, boom, hit her really hard. And she flew like 30 feet. It's amazing she wasn't hurt worse than she was. She just had a pretty bad broken ankle.
Oh, ouch.
She had a helmet. You know, if she wouldn't have worn a helmet, I mean, it could have been much worse.